working in tech consulting for 12 years.
Wow.
And I'm not happy with ChatGPT. I used Claude to plan my sister's wedding in 5 minutes.
I built a website, I showed it to him, and I closed that deal.
So I've used AI to design a cake and exact the same cake.
Earlier we used to take 2 days, 3 days, but now it's been done in.
And now I have 500 followers in like 3 days.
What?
I asked 20 different strangers how they actually use AI in their life. And looking back at the footage, I don't think it's just them using it for help. These people are genuinely trusting AI with careers and families and money. Okay, you gotta stay till the end to know what's actually happening. Alright, and what you're about to see today, it's not just some random use cases of AI, but 20 different uses that you've probably never heard of. So make sure that you stick till the end and yeah, hit subscribe and let's go. Let's get started.
What's one way you've been using AI that's really helped you a lot?
Yeah, I'm in tech industry and I can code, but I don't like coding. So I can just ask an AI agent to code. So for example, I built a bunch of software tools purely for personal use right now. So I typically store my vacation photos, for example, on my laptop.
Okay.
And then using them later is very difficult because there are like hundreds, thousands of photos just dumped
Scattered in the
place. Yeah, scattered there.
device.
And now I can do things like tell the AI agent that I visited so-and-so place on such and such date. In this folder, go find me some 5 good photos that I can post. And
Oh.
it manages to do that pretty well.
That's so good. Which tool do you use?
I use Codex by OpenAI.
ChatGPT?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Recently, I have been trying to optimize my LinkedIn.
Okay.
So what I did, I just grabbed all the data from the LinkedIn, you
Okay.
upload it on Claude, train the chat like to work as a consultant for you for your brand optimization, and I asked it to make a 30-day plan for me. And it did everything from my brands, from color scheming and everything.
So is the 30-day plan helping you?
Of course, it is. Now I have like 500 followers in like 3 days, actually.
What? 3 days?
Yeah. I just don't need to put my mind
You
over
just
for-
don't need to think on it.
think on for LinkedIn. I just doing
That's
it for-
crazy, dude.
Yeah, it is.
Wow, okay.
I have used AI for building a website
Okay.
for a client. Like the client had some requirements. I usually build WordPress websites. So that requirements I couldn't fulfill with the WordPress website. So I used AI. I used the tool Emergent. So
Oh wow.
I used that and I built a website. I showed it to him. Yeah, and I closed that deal.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
I use ChatGPT to plan all my trips, and it does
Oh.
it really well. Especially like if you give your dates, the more information you give, like it will take in the weather, its considerations about at what times which restaurants are busy and at what time you should go.
The timings, the tickets, the prices, best places to visit. Now, and they will provide a particular proper itinerary.
give you a proper
directions only. So I feel that's the best way.
We use it for content creation and content planning for creators.
Okay.
So it's all about prompt. So if you have a proper prompt, you can get a great idea like how to pick your videos up, how to generate the good views, hooks, planning and everything, like in total.
Whenever I'm being scheduled with the interview calls, I just go to AI and ask the potential questions which can be asked.
Which tool do you use for it?
I mostly use ChatGPT, but I
the
also
classic.
yeah, the classic one. But now I've also started using Copilot, which is much better than the ChatGPT one. So yeah.
AI has helped me in automation. Earlier, we used to take for complex scenarios 2 days or maybe 3 days for automation, but now since we're using agentic AI, so it's been done in just an hour to automate multiple scenarios, not just one.
Let's say, you're updating some data in Excel manually, and then you have to go update in some site also. So we can integrate AI between. It can automatically read the data from the Excel and
So
update
it
it
directly does all the
work for you.
Yeah, that's great.
So I just give the AI the persona. Imagine that you are having a particular years of experience in this particular field,
Yeah.
and give me the strategies where I can do better.
So you ask it to act like a certain person.
yeah, act like a strategist
That can give
good advice,
suggestions
good strategies, good implementation
for
plans.
better decision making.
Exactly.
That's so good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Recently, I'll tell I'm planning the birthday of my kid. So I've used AI as an event planner to plan the entire event, and I have also designed a cake. I have just given the imagination, and AI has designed it. And luckily, we got a chef who is making exact the same cake.
Oh, nice. That was great.
Recently, I used Claude to plan my sister's wedding,
Damn.
and
Okay.
it did a very good job. I was impressed, and I was like, what could have taken me 2-3 days and a lot of brainstorming and to and fro fights with my siblings. AI sorted it out in like 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, I think 2-3 minutes, and it gave me a ready reckoner kind of thing. Like it gave me a tracker, and the whole wedding sorted out so easily.
Oh, wow. Saved your
Yes,
time.
yes.
And that's great.
I use interactive games on Claude to understand topics that I study. For example, SR flip-flops that I used last, you can toggle between modes and see how things work. That really helped me understand the topic.
Oh, wow. That's such a great use case.
If we are going to do a haircut or something, before that we will check if it good on us, like in ChatGPT.
Yeah. For styling, for finding out the style.
I'm a teacher.
Okay.
I'm a mom of 8 years. I teach him and I take tuitions as well.
Alright.
So I use ChatGPT for framing questions. Especially I expect like whatever questions can come for regarding one chapter. I use it that way.
While graduating from uni, I was really stuck on what I wanted to do with my degree or my career pathways. So I did use a lot of the AI tools to kind of help me understand what are the different careers that I could possibly go into using my skills and assets that I've learned throughout my law degree. Using that, I've landed a job in legal and compliance in a financial...
That's amazing.
Thank you.
What are the tools that you use for figuring it all out?
I was using whatever, like Perplexity, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini.
Oh, a bunch of tools.
A bunch of tools to weigh up my options, basically.
Hey, that's great. Thank you.
No problem.
I can tell you a specific moment in my life
Okay.
that was a life-changing decision I had to make.
Okay.
So I have been working in tech consulting for 12 years
Wow. Okay.
and I'm not happy anymore.
Okay.
So I wanted to move from this
Switch
to-
from one
switch
career
from-
to another.
Yeah, which is a very risky move if I
Yeah,
don't
it
plan
is
it out.
very risky for
Yeah, but
everyone.
for whatever reasons, I haven't been happy at work.
Okay.
So I discussed this in length with ChatGPT, like scenario by scenario. So today this has happened. I think it is very toxic. What do you think? This is how I have asked ChatGPT, and I have gotten its view. And the views are pretty unbiased.
Alright.
So I felt it was very helpful.
And you cross-check it by multiple people opinions and
I
AI.
did not, but yeah, I asked different AI tools.
Oh, okay,
yeah.
makes sense.
Recently, I have used AI in like one of my investment plans.
Okay.
So like I wanted to go for a rented house,
Alright.
and then I had money, so I just thought like, why don't I take it for lease?
Yeah.
So when I was calculating that, so I just needed a kind of loan as well to back up the amount so that I could have enough amount to pay for my lease. And then I was thinking like, what would be the ways? First, I actually asked the banks, and then I thought, okay, this bank is like telling me that this is the rate of interest. This is I was like, I don't have time
Too
to
much
calculate all this.
information, yeah.
Yes. So then I just dumped all that information to AI, and then I asked it to give a comparison which would be the better plan for me. So considering the inflation rate, etc., it gave me a very good plan, like how my EMI should be, and like how easily I can finish the loan, which bank should I prefer.
Oh, so it gave you suggestions for every single step that you could take for
Right.
this thing.
Right.
Oh,
So that is one way I think like is the most useful thing I have used AI for.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, but then I also know there are certain loopholes in AI, so I just keep those things in my mind because
You're trying to stay safe as well, like
right
with the answers it gives you.
Yes, we need to
Being mindful about the AI usage.
Right. So being mindful is very important. But then we are like having that capability to be, to judge what is good and what is bad.
Yeah.
I feel ChatGPT gives me around some 60 to 70% accuracy.
Okay,
Not
quite
complete.
good, but not
I cannot say AI will give complete 100.
But
I
you
can
could
rely
still
on.
gotta cross-check and verify.
Exactly, I definitely cross check. That's one thing we have to do as
Yeah.
a human. We
Yeah.
cannot trust anyone, right?
Exactly.
So we use AI to generate the script, and then we use some human touch to just shape it off. That's it.
That was great. Alright, so you just finished watching 20 different people talk about their AI use case, how they trust AI with some pretty big stuff, right? Well, now I want it from you. Tell me, how exactly do you use AI that's truly unique to you? I want it all in the comments down below. I'm reading it all, okay? And the best ones are going straight to part 2. And whether part 2 happens, it all depends on you. So make sure to hit subscribe, comment down below, and share this video with either a friend or a family member of yours. Because come on, everyone deserves to know about this, right? Exactly. See you all in the next one. Bye.